Hey, how's everybody doing? So today we're going to set up our Java development environment on a Windows machine. So let's get started by installing the Java JDK. So you want to go to Google and type up Java JDK. We're going to go to Java SE downloads, JDK download. You want to scroll down and go to Windows x64 installer. Click on the link, click on this link and scroll down the agreement and pretend to read it. Click the checkbox and download JDK. Wait for that to download. And we want to run the exe. Next. This is going to be the path of the JDK. Okay, so once the JDK is installed, let's make sure that everything is set up. So let's launch our command prompt and let's type up Java C space / version, and here we go. Here is our JDK version, and we can also get the runtime version by typing up Java / version, and here you go. Everything is set up. So let's close that, and now we would want to install IntelliJ. So how you would do it is just IntelliJ. Obviously you can use Chrome for this, or Google. Want to click the first link. Want to click on download, and we're going to download the community version for Windows. So click download. So once that's done downloading, you would want to run the exe. Okay, so let's run the .exe. Next, this is going to be the destination of the installation. Next, we want to create a 64-bit launcher, create associations for .java. Essentially, this is wherever there's a Java file in your on your computer, once you click on it, it's gonna open up with IntelliJ. We want to add the path variable to your environment. Essentially, this will allow you to launch IntelliJ by typing up, I believe it's idea space dot, or idea the path of the folder that you're trying to open with IntelliJ. It's kind of like Visual Studio Code, where in the terminal or command prompt, if you're at a particular folder, you just type up code space dot and it'll open up that folder in Visual Studio. So let's click on next. Alright, so once that's set up, you would want to reboot now, or you can reboot later. Obviously for this video we're going to reboot later, so we're going to click finish. Let's minimize Chrome, and we're going to launch IntelliJ. We're going to create a new project. We're going to click next, so Java next. We're going to create a project from template, command line app, next. We're going to call it first app. You can save it in any location you like. I'm just going to save it in the default location. Your package, just leave it default. Finish. This is where we would add our code for the famous 2 words. So let's go system dot out dot print line and hello world. Okay, so now once we have that, we want to save, and you want to go up on the top right where there's like a little play icon to run the application, run main. So let's run that, and at the bottom it should be our output console. Here we go, we've created our first program. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.